This is not just a van. This is a legend reborn for a new generation. The iconic Volkswagen T1 Samba is back in 2026 with modern tech, modern power, and a design that makes people stop and stare. So the real question is, did Volkswagen finally do justice to one of the most legendary vehicles of all time? Let's find out. Right from the front, the 2026 T1 Samba instantly hits you with that unmistakable DNA. The iconic V-shaped front panel is still here. A large illuminated Volkswagen badge sits proudly in the center. Smooth, rounded surfaces keep the retro soul alive. But look closer, this is no classic bus. Modern LED daytime running lights integrated cleanly into the front. A redesigned bumper with chrome accents that blend heritage with premium detail. The stance is wider, lower, and more confident than the original. It's friendly, it's charming, and somehow it still looks premium. From the side, this is pure Samba heritage. Large panoramic windows, a long, boxy silhouette, clean body lines with minimal creases. The biggest upgrade? Modern alloy wheels replacing classic steel rims. Subtle side steps for easier entry, a lowered ride height for better stability and a cleaner look. And yes, that roof rack is back, because a Samba without a roof rack just wouldn't feel right. At the rear, Volkswagen keeps things clean and classy. Horizontal LED taillights with a minimalist design. Centered VW logo and T1 Samba badging. A modern rear bumper with integrated reflectors. It's simple, it's elegant, and it doesn't try too hard. That's exactly what makes it work. Step inside, and this is where the biggest transformation happens. The cabin perfectly blends classic design cues with modern comfort. Minimalist dashboard layout, digital instrument cluster styled to look retro, a floating screen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You get modern connectivity without ruining the vintage vibe. Premium two-tone leather upholstery, diamond-stitched seat patterns, comfortable upright seating position for long road trips. This is not a commercial van interior. It feels like a boutique retro lounge on wheels. Massive glass area gives incredible visibility. Bright, airy cabin thanks to the panoramic roof. Plenty of headroom and legroom for all passengers. This thing is made for cruising. Now let's talk power, because yes, the T1 Samba is finally modern underneath.
Electric drivetrain or hybrid option, depending on market. Estimated output 200 to 250 horsepower. Instant torque for smooth city driving. Rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive configuration. This isn't about speed. It's about smooth, silent, effortless cruising. Tuned for comfort, not aggression. Perfect for city roads, highways, and coastal drives. Extremely quiet cabin compared to the original. So, how much does nostalgia cost in 2026? Starting around $55,000 to $65,000 USD. Higher trims with premium interior and extended range could reach $70,000 plus. This is not a budget vehicle. This is a lifestyle icon. The 2026 T1 Samba doesn't have many direct rivals, but here are its closest competitors. Volkswagen ID Buzz, more futuristic, less retro. Ford e-Tornado Custom, more practical, less emotional. Mercedes-Benz EQV, more luxury, less character. The T1 Samba wins where it matters most: emotion, design, and heritage. The 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba isn't trying to be the fastest. It's not trying to be the most practical. It's trying to be something far more powerful, memorable. And honestly, Volkswagen absolutely nailed it. If you love classic design, modern tech, and timeless vibes, this might just be one of the coolest vehicles of 2026.